Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick and helpful one, especially if you've been struggling with the Meta AI desktop login issue. Yeah, I know how frustrating it can be when you're just trying to log in and things don't work the way they should. But don't worry, because I've got some good news. The problem is now solved. So here's what was happening. Many users were facing login errors on the desktop version. Either the page wouldn't load properly, or it would get stuck during authentication. In some cases, even after entering the correct details, access was denied. Pretty annoying, right? Now, the fix is actually simpler than you might expect. First, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. That alone solves a lot of compatibility issues. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This helps remove any corrupted data that might be blocking the login process. If that doesn't work, try logging in using an incognito or private window. This bypasses extensions that might be interfering. Also, double-check that you're using the correct login method, especially if your account is linked through Facebook or another service. And finally, if nothing else works, switching browsers or disabling certain extensions, like ad blockers, can often do the trick. After applying these steps, most users are now able to log in without any issues. So if you were stuck before, go ahead and try this now. It should work. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech solutions like this. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.